Hey y'all, welcome to this week's weekly vlog. Today is, girl, what day is it? I don't even know. Wait, Tuesday? Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. And girl, it is pouring down, raining outside. The plan today was to go out, leave the house, see the world, okay? Finally get some fresh air because I've been in the house for nonstop, like over a week, because I was sick. I've just been in the house over a week. Or I was gonna get out this house. I was gonna go by the beauty supply store and pick up some travel wig supplies. That was the goal, and I haven't been able to do that. I also need to go by Best Buy, pick up my new lens. I also need to go pick up, girl, I had so many other things to do, but I haven't been able to do it because wow, it is pouring rain. I wish I could show you. It's pouring rain, and it's been pouring rain all week. So yeah, I don't know what to do. So I'm already dressed. I have so many things to do, and it's almost 8 o'clock. And I haven't had lunch yet. So I did my go-to makeup, which is like really, really fresh, glowy, like super youthful makeup. And of course, I did my hair. And y'all see this hair. Y'all see this hair. I am so into no baby hair wigs. And in order to wear a no baby hair wig, baby, the lace has to be on point. And I want to say thank you to XrsBeautyHair for providing this wig to me and sponsoring this portion of the vlog. When you're able to do no baby hairs, you know the lace is pristine. We're gonna get this hair together. We're gonna vibe out. Y'all know, listen to a little music. Y'all already know I already got a good mix set up for you. And then I'll be back, I guess, when I'm ready to go or when I'm eating, or I don't know. I have to decide what I'm gonna do. So I'll see y'all in a second. So of course your wig is going to come in the XrsBeautyHair box, and inside that box you will receive your gifts, a baby hair brush, a comb, all that type of stuff. Also rollers for the hair, but you also will receive your gorgeous wig. This wig is the new clear lace and clean hairline straight bob 13x6 lace front human hair wig. It is in the style number bob 34. This wig is 12 inches long. It is 150% density. Now we're just gonna go ahead and vibe out with this wig, do a little bit of styling. So let's get into this music and get cute.